Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to put image in table in Notion. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Notion account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the page where you'd like to add an image inside a table. This is where the fun begins. Start by typing /gallery on your page. Doing this transforms your table into a gallery view, which is the perfect setup for displaying visual elements like images. In the gallery view, you'll be asked to either link an existing database or create a new one. Once your database is ready, click on any card within the gallery. Each card represents a single entry and acts as a container where you can add details such as text, tags, and most importantly, images. Inside the card, click on an empty text box and type /image. This will bring up Notion's image insertion options. From here, you can upload a photo directly from your device, paste in an image link, or even pull an image from the web. After selecting your image, it will embed directly into the card inside your table. You can further customize how it appears by adjusting the layout or even using the highlight feature to make the image stand out more. And that's it. So that is how you can put image in table in Notion. So that's all for this video. Thanks.